Hey there! Ever wondered how some creators are getting millions of views and making real money, all from cute, AI-generated cartoon videos? Well, here's the secret. AI cartoon characters, especially adorable dogs in Heartwarming, are blowing up on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. They're eye-catching, emotionally engaging, and perfect for kids and families. And the best part, you don't need to be an animator or know how to draw. Just use the right AI tool. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create our very own viral and monetizable cartoon dog video, just like the one you're watching now. From story creation, image generation, animation, music, and editing, it's all beginner-friendly. And by the end, you'll be ready to grow our channel fast. Before we jump in, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to support the channel. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the heart of our video, the story. Open Canva and go to Magic Write. That's Canva's built-in AI writer. Canva's Magic Write feature uses AI to generate text content, making it easy to create engaging copy for designs quickly. Type something like this. Write a heartwarming Pixar-style scene featuring a cheerful cartoon dog in a blue jacket, holding a juice box during sunset on a football field, with a puppy in a red vest looking up admiringly. Magic Write will instantly create a beautiful story description. This is our blueprint. We'll use it in the next step to generate images. Next, go to Piclumen. This is where our characters come to life. Paste in the prompt you got from Canva. And choose a Pixar-style render or soft cartoon texture. Within seconds, you'll get gorgeous images. Think warm sunsets, expressive dog faces, cozy football field vibes. Repeat this process for all images by copying and pasting the prompts from Canva. Grab multiple versions, close-ups, wide shots, playful moments. This variety will make our video way more engaging. Download all images one by one. Now, let's animate those still images. Head over to Pixverse. Upload our images and select type or copy past the prompt. A motion effect, something like cinematic, pan or smooth zoom. Then click Generate. Pixverse will turn our image into a short, animated clip with emotional, lifelike movement. It feels just like a Pixar trailer. Once done, download our clip. But there might be a video watermark. But no worries, we'll fix that now. Head over to Erase. To keep things clean, upload our Pixverse video to Erase. It uses AI to remove watermarks smoothly without ruining the animation. This is a key step from making our video look professional and ready for monetization. Let's go through the removal process. Now the watermark is removed. Now it's time to add emotion and depth with sound. Go to Pixabay.com and search for royalty-free music. Try keywords like playful kids music, emotional background, or cinematic soundtrack. Add sound effects like laughter, birds chirping, or a juice sip. It brings the world to life. Download the ones that fit our video's mood. Last step, let's bring it all together in CapCut, a beginner-friendly video editor that works on mobile and desktop. Import our animated video and audio files, then add captions or subtitles. Use motion transitions and zoom-ins. Insert sound effects for laughs, juice sipping, or even crowd cheers. Add a catchy intro title and our channel branding. Make sure everything is okay. Then export the video in HD quality. And there you go, our very own viral and monetizable cartoon dog video. Remember, with AI, you don't need to be an animator. Just follow this workflow and keep experimenting. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.